the .get function whenever you're trying to access the value associated with a key from a dictionary. Now, many of you have probably seen this error before, but if I go to my word counts dictionary and I try to access a key that doesn't exist, so let's say we run the code here, you see that we get an error and it says key error. Now, the way that we can avoid getting that error is by using the .get function and providing a default value. In a lot of instances, what people will do is check if a key exists inside of a dictionary before attempting to access it to make sure they avoid the key error. However, what we can do is something like this, where we just use .get. What .get will do is attempt to get the value associated with a key, but if that key does not exist, it will return whatever default value you provide as the second argument to this function. So in this case, I attempt to get the keyword, and if the keyword does exist, I get the value associated with it. Otherwise, I just get 0. This means I can avoid checking if the word key exists inside of this dictionary before I attempt to access it. So if we look here and I run the code, you can see that everything is fine and we're counting all of the elements that exist inside of words without having to check if the key exists first before we increment that key.